fix white scene freeze error in Digimon Survive. 1. For PC players, uninstall and reinstall your video codecs. Note, codes like Klite, CCCP, and DLC can all help resolve this problem. 2. Linux, download a file, created by a member of the Steam community, at https://steamcommunity.com/app/871980/3462723449743566614. 3. Steam Deck, get the above mentioned save file as well.